Hello friends, hello designers. Let's talk about Spoonflower today again. I would like to review Fill the Yard feature that Spoonflower is offering, and this is a very efficient way of proofing your designs if you have a collection. Spoonflower has a guide on Fill the Yard, so where to find it, you're just going to go to Help Center and choose Designing and Uploading, and if you scroll all the way down to here, you will find Fill the Yard guide. This is a very easy guide to follow, so you can read it to get a better understanding, but I will show you right now how easy it actually is, and we can compare how much does it cost to proof the whole collection versus ordering samples individually. So let's go back to my dashboard and then go into, so that's my dashboard, and then we are going to go here and to the side and find collections. Okay, right, so once you're in the collection, and please be mindful, if you don't have a collection you have to create one, and I'll make another video about that, but today's video we are just going to fill the yard. Okay, so I've just created this recent collection. It's called Wedding in the Fall. It's got 12 designs, which I need to prove. Okay, so once you press on this collection, you can see here a small sign that looks like a patchwork. So you're going to press here, and that's going to take you to Fill the Yard of fabric. Okay, now you've got to choose amongst these 6 options. Obviously, if you have only 2 designs to fill, then you choose this or this one. I have 12, so for me that would be a great option. So it's going to be a yard of napkins. That's what it says. So I will select that, and then here you have a choice of choosing a fabric. I am okay with cotton satin, and then I'll press on Design Your Project. Right, so now it takes me to this area where I have an opportunity to fill that preset with my designs. Okay, so it actually tells you all the steps you need to do, but it's very easy. So first you choose on the design on the side, and then you choose which section you want to fill, and that's all you do. So I choose this one, and I choose next one. Okay, so all very easy. One thing I want to mention is you won't be able to change the dimension of each design individually here. You have to actually go back into your designs and pick the dimensions within that design. So if you don't see your prints the way you want them to be smaller or bigger, you actually have to do it within the print area, that each individual design. Okay, just bear this in mind. Okay, let's go next one. Okay, so I filled the yard. All I need to do now is to press Add to Cart. Okay, success, we've added your project to your cart. Another tip I can give you, sometimes let me just click here. Sometimes if you can wait and you don't have to order your swatches straight away, I would wait until there's an offer up there, but not on wallpaper swatches, but on fabrics, and that will make your order cheaper. However, obviously if you can't wait and you want to prove them faster, that might not work for you, but that's another tip I could give you. By the way, a quick stop. If you, like myself, don't really know what 1 yard actually means, convert it into meters, that it's a lot of fabric actually. So 1 yard is almost 1 meter. Okay, now let's go to my cart where we can see the prices, so we can compare different options. So number 1 here is a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter swatch. Okay, and I deliberately selected 12 because I have 12 prints in the collection. So if I need to prove that collection, I would have to order 12 different swatches. So the total price of this delivered to UK is almost £60. It is extremely expensive. It really doesn't work for me. And then I have another two options here. So this is another pretty expensive option, but you must notice the difference. So that was the dinner napkins option. So I filled 2 yards of organic cotton satin fabric with my 12 prints from my collection, and the total of that, the cost of that is £50. So okay, it is modestly cheaper than ordering swatches independently, so that doesn't really work for me either. And then the last option here, which I think I'm actually going to go with, this is the yard of petal signature cotton fabric. So remember when we were choosing options, so that was an option and the second from the bottom, and that's 1 yard. It's called the cheater kilt. So where you have 42 squares available, so you can technically, if you have 42 prints, you can order 42 different prints, or you can fill a few squares with the same print, period. But look at the price. Instead of paying Spoonflower £58 for nothing, like there's no guaranteed sale or anything to that, instead you're only paying £16.5. I don't know if it's any cheaper in the US, but this is the UK pricing, and depending where you are, you'll get the equivalent in your currency. But I'd say this is a huge discount and huge success. So this is what I'm going to do, and I'm very happy with it. As usual, thanks for watching this video. This is it for today, and I hope you can appreciate and save yourself a little bit of time and money as well. And let me know if there are any other useful features you want to be reviewed. Thank you. See you next time.